My brother, I see you. 21 God salute. Adam, that one, I see you. Akon, Johnny, I see you. Over there. Akon, Johnny, confirm, bro. I see you, my sister. Rufina, confirm, always there. Strong supporters of Ambazonians Revolution. I see you that work on social media. Kodos. Adam Ford. Amba people, Stanley Ford. I see you. Adam Ford. Wow. Thanks. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, una good evening and happy Sunday wherever una dey. This one the bottle dance all the way from the savannah or the northern zone. You quite remember when you come out Kumba overnight. I like take Mondia Kumba overnight. People they go Abakwa overnight. You hit bottle dance when you reach for upstation. That will enter inside Abakwa. And so Abakwa sleep. Abakwa sleep for down the ocean. Ah, master. People they miss their homeland. Now we like Republic. If they want to take us away by force, we go die. They go kill all we before we take that land. Fellow Ambazonians, once more again, una good evening wherever una dey. I be sorry say I come a little bit late, 30 minutes late, not even a little bit, but one or two things be tight. On a wider way, I come 30 minutes late, and I no fit for put the programs there, but I don't put the record straight. We get plenty in the way we go talk as we don't hear how the revolution it go on smoothly. Everything there intact, 100% intact. But we get for no say, as a human being, we get for no say, we get loopholes them, we get faults, we get a strength and weakness, and we not going to capitalize. So my strength, you take them like a weakness, like a strength. So when person do something, think about the good things the way they do them, not capitalize only on the bad way, don't do them for the moment. We know so all we human beings will be bound to make mistakes. The other person where it be pure and where any make mistake, now our Lord Jesus Christ, where we died on the cross of Calvary because of you and me. So we know say human being be bound to make a mistake. So now I get them as far as the Sunday show it be concerned, we get plenty things for talk. So when you come, you hit the share button so that we will get the information will go all sides. Now, first, before I want to continue the show, something just happened today. Majorless Ambazonian people they know. Yeah, something just happened today before at the one can show. I get forget, but man just let people they know where to go on. We get hackers and now they hack people their account. Hacker the way they hack people they now they hack people their account, and the hacker now they use especially Ambazonians because they don't know now say Ambazonians we be friendly, and Ambazonian people they will be like a potential donors to the struggle. So they go enter your account. When they enter your account, they'll see people the way you communicate. They will see your communication with the people the way they communicate, and they will observe how the communication will flow. And then now they will contact you. They say, if you hear me this, what will happen today? And I say, the chairman of Kumba LGA, Mr. Fritz, person called me for a messenger. I look at Fritz. He called me. He said yes. He said I feel sending some money for them. Then tomorrow he back for me. I say like how much? He said like 600 euros. I say I don't get 600 euros for my account. But I said, but by the way, now the talk. I said by the way, now the talk. He tell me I don't know it, thief man. He tell me I don't know it. I said but the voice, I don't think say na free talk because no na the voice is. He said why you talk so? I no hesitate. I go now for WhatsApp. I start call the WhatsApp. You know the pick. I call WhatsApp. Our chairman he busy, and then I come back. I can't text. Say but you say I said how much? He say 500 euro. I say how you do back and back. He say through bank. Then I go back, I go call for WhatsApp, the person no pick him. Now I come back, I tell the person say so so they never teach you how to scam. You go look my profile. I tell the person say you go look my profile, you don't see play where I come out. So they never teach you how to scam well. Then I tell the person say okay, I call you video so that I confirm say that the chairman. I want to see the person tell me say you bastard. You laugh, he laugh, I laugh. He tell me say you bastard. They block me now. So I want to Ambassador people say we will be very careful and play it now. Una go get change una password. Then you go for you go for your WhatsApp. You see that 3 dot way there. You click for there. You go for setting. When you go for setting now, you start read all the information there. Block anything where you go for external. Me not only you get access to your contact. Me not only you get access. You want no share your contact, even your number. Because I get my number for if you go for my Facebook profile, you will see I get my number for there. But you external person official. Now only me official. So everything you get will block everything. Me be access only to you one. And then if you come for live videos and every this, if you put an public. But you go for any external information, you know, go block all the information. Now why that way you get access to your code? Because you will go there, you will get access to your code. They will block out everything. You know, get access to your code. So I did it necessary to say, I tell our Ambazonian people, especially our Ambazonian people, because this mobile money issue they will down that way. People just send money anyhow. That way they use and now they manipulate the Ambazonian people. They don't say you go send money for person for down. You go send money for this. So it will can't enter say your profile. He say yes, na me or did this. My mobile money number this. I beg send me this. You fall that cheap trap. You will call say na freaks. Na me freaks at the call. If you send me my small sister $50 for the mobile money number, I will send for you tomorrow. I say I be tied up for work. Chop, you don't fall the trap. So we will be very wise. And secondly, any man you talk with you if you do financial transaction, you must get the number for WhatsApp. You must get the number for WhatsApp because if you are going to go for WhatsApp or say my call chairman because the voice sound from my ear like the voice of the chairman. I go now and start calling. Pick now after now the chairman now he now come now he's call me again. I said he call me. I hear the voice. I said what did happen? He said they don't hack your account. No. He said they don't hack your account. He said about 5 people don't write it. Say they don't hack your account, but it don't change. Thank God say they don't take no notice for. I think say they don't take no notice for all the people they will contact because Ambazonian people are wise people. They don't teach. They don't teach now. We come on Kumbao. We be Kumba picking them. We be Bamenda picking them. So una want arrange na deal na arrange well. North and southern zone. Now wise picking them. So if una want thief, una go learn scam me well. Una scam white man, una can scam black man. Black man will only pay day. Before I want to say my $1, I'm gonna investigate very well. Now she know that the fall for outside people will come and go hustle there. You should you don't want to work there. Cash you don't can't scam people. Lazy fool them. Lazy fool. After you scam, so no say tomorrow when no go there, your generation will suffer. Yes, I talk any scammers the way they did for scam. Yeah, we not continue. They try again. They might for cheap trap. It go enter. But some man will give you own. You take him, he cry, he curse him. Then the curse go remember your generation. Some people never will take you take their money, they don't look at it, they don't laugh. So man they will give like hard-earned money. Then you take him, they rather say na scam they scam me. They just cry. Just run down for your thing. Then he curse you. Then you remain forever. So when I work, I carry small curse them. When I don't even know say when I command the name of scamming. So fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, now we go to the show proper. We go to the show proper. I want to just give that one me Ambazonian people because it be very vital. So we over the weekend we don't get an audio. My response first. Now we respond to Comrade Bo Hebert, the audio we make, and then secondly for our president, the audio we make to Comrade Abu Karim. Fellow Ambazonian, fellow citizens, we don't listen our senior comrade Bo Hebert the audio is an innocent for we. That audio be being of public consumption. Fellow Ambazonians, that part audio be being of public consumption. I want to tell Ambazonian people, see now we ourselves will take our hand for destroy ourselves. Una listen, Comrade Ball, he send that audio, he plead, say, I beg, me the audio no go outside. That one I talk within the house, within the team act. They will get a private conversation and their private query. See, it be very fast. We will not be sure as a human being, we will not get differences. And the differences, if we will not think about public, people don't know. Some people in the way where they be fast for share the audios where they did inside house with their woman them. They know they fine. But your woman, you match your woman for us, you never carry and go for outside. When I get family issues for house, then the family never take the issue, go for outside. But why would I think say Ambazonians not get their own family issues when they inside a WhatsApp group, they get their own problem, then they settle and they end within it, and then one man will take another put outside. The one as I say, yeah, what you boy the talk with, but it get right when they for that private conversation, it get right for even holla. It get right for holla our president. Boy, it get the right for advise our president in private, even holla in a small man. They keep presidency aside. They talk their private talk. It doesn't impede. You always see the way the audio way you go outside for our president. The way Comrade Bo reasoner, you know, like and they advise inside the house. It don't come publicly like a senior man, like a man where he get dignity, get respect. He don't come take that audio. He don't come publicly or he write or he do this. He give audio and then the finest part for that audio, I say, he pleads, say me that audio no go outside. You wait take that audio go outside. You think say you support this revolution? I want to ask Ambazonian people, more not be fast to share, more be fast to listen. When you listen to that audio finish, he pleads, say I beg me the audio no go outside. It be me being a consumption only within them. You when you be fast for take that audio. You circulate that outside. Now say you overlike Dr. Sako. Now say you overlike IG pass we. Any man will get a privacy here. A part of the revolution, people in the way they get a various group the way they do things behind. Where now for this struggle and they don't you don't need me to go outside. Team act. Now the group, now the organization that way they lead we to the Swiss process. Yes, team act now a group now a leader that way they lead you to the Swiss process. When our presidency be send that audio and Marvel talks to another thing to our president audio we are listening. Our president audio we are listening, he don't talk bad thing, he don't talk anything bad. When I listen that audio, analyze them again. Our listener, he don't talk anything bad. That one to a brotherly advice to our comrade, senior comrade Abu Karim. We know the way government operate now. Ambassador, I would say all ambassadors be too educated. Ambassadors they be too educated. They know the way government operate. The audio way our presidency send about doctors for Abu Karim. It not send in the capacity of the president of the internal government. You know, go see for ambassador page, he send that audio. Because anything the way the office want do, it become official. That audio not be official. Me, I think that audio to a brotherly advice. When he advise Abu Karim, say, my brother, see, if you to you fit to say Atanganji, they kill our boys. You you go sit down. You shake hand with Atanganji. Then you say go sit down. Elvis Ngongo. He can shake hand for you. Then how you go feel? Now listen to the audio. That one was just advice. Me ambassador people, will not be fast for judge. Will not be too fast for judge. Will be too fast for reason. Any man, for me, any man will share that. Bo Herbert. Pabo audio for aside that man is a one traitor to the revolution. Now the kind of people that we need to find now. Now the kind of people that ambassador need to start finding now, because it will not be deal with secrets. It will not be deal. See, more not glad today because there's some man there against Pablo Herbert. In lead that audio say me ambassador people they castigate Pablo because he knows say when ambassador people hear that audio because of the love we will get for the our president, we go start against him. We will start against Pablo Herbert. And then in so doing now, we will destroy the Team Act. Well, another reason I say another way that will destroy the Team Act because some man there inside that Team Act, you know like the Team Act. If they inside will destroy. That man will share that audio. If they devil, you know that the real patriot, you know that the real citizens for Ambassador. Now man where they outside will destroy. Any woman where married away, you want to talk for house. He come up go start for outside and make noise. No say that woman no fit be a good home. So any man pikin no fit keep secrets. If you no fit keep simple audio where the man you listen and the man talk at all, he say he beg. Me the audio no go outside. Then you fit keep secret to Ambassador. You be fit for keep our diplomatic secrets. You not be fit for keep our diplomatic secrets. So the audio for I don't even think say Pablo Herbert do even one wrong, even one. I mean say even think say even imagine for my mind say he do something wrong because for a part of social media private conversation get for the go on between them. So if he said the private conversation inside house where president they inside now only them he bleed in the advice now advice. When I think say when I be one that say me Pablo Herbert come for Facebook can write on Facebook say it this time himself from where to where our president the audio our president don't stop talk but inside group where all the day inside that group Abu Karim dey inside that group Dr. Akwanga dey inside that group our president dey inside that group Pablo Herbert me all the listener and sometimes then again the audio where our president where come over outside is still come inside that very group. It means that they communicate audio by audio. We will take a put of assignment ambassador for public consumption. Why, my brothers? Why, my brothers and sisters? Why will take something and intend and put of assignment for public consumption? They will talk to you. When I castigate Pablo anyhow do this. Now he show example of collaboration. Now he show ambassador people collaboration. Collaboration don't mean a unity. For collaborate with man, you don't mean say you must die with all the way to the man accept. Collaborate with the man, don't mean say you must die with all the man the way he talk. All the man, he follow all the man footsteps like sheep goat. No. Collaboration I mean say we not get one something in common way, we go one goal and they go on the flag. They go on the flag of ambassador will go for Boya. So I don't see the reason why ambassador people they get over social media say boy this. That audio was not for public consumption, my brother and sister. We can find Marvel standard audio because that way they because the audio were president his speech. That way they will leak his speech. We'll not be talking about the speech. We'll start finding out who leaked that speech. How you come? Who leaked that speech? But now the audio don't come out. We will start finding who leaked that audio. It means that the Team Act some enablers. Some people will not be trustworthy. They did inside that Team Act. That means some people, some spies, they did inside that Team Act. And the body will be in charge. He will take effective measures. Some spies there inside Team Act. Some spies there inside that Team Act will destroy the Team Act. So now my a small opinion that way I get them. Now just my opinion. I need to impose my opinion that I get as far as that audio if be concerned. Because activists will not therefore impose. Then we will go for sorry. It's not. Yeah, 7U. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, so we will go now for. We don't listen to people they talk say Ambazonian revolution, Ambazonian it will can't be like Southern Sudan. Some people they talk say Ambazonian it will can't be like Southern Sudan. I want to tell that people they say no. I want to tell that people they say any man, when I look any man, where eating, where he dream for a bet, he sleep dream. Say Ambazonian if he ever be like Southern Sudan. Me tell you a bad dream. Me tell God say God that dream. That means say it is serve a different God. Yeah, sometimes it serve a small God. And me say any man where the Ambazonian ever dream say Ambazonian if ever come for in the history of mankind be like Southern Sudan, then you worship small God. You need to worship the Almighty God. We all will worship Him. Yes, ma tell you reasons. Some man say yes, tell me reasons. When I remember say before we want come out Nigeria can join La Republic, we don't get a unified structure. Ambazonian we don't get a unified structure before the one join La Republic. I never say tell you again, not be all Ambazonian or Southern Cameroon Ambazonian in the days of 1959. Be there in one accord. When I listen, from the history go, from the world go, Ambazonian never ever unite. So all man talk one talk. There ever be any man talk he talk bet with the work for democracy. When I remember very well say Foncha Endele, they don't be there for one accord, but they will get one common goal. And even the insults, when I remember say, they be the insult themselves. They be the insult themselves. But whenever ever hear say will be fight, when they be achieve their objective of joining La Republique, the fair union, Ambazonian don't ever fight. You never ever hear say the Prime Minister of West Cameroon be fight the other man will be there this. We never ever hear so. And we know very well say this our fight start now from Eastern Regional House of Nigeria. We know so. This our fight, it not start not 5 of today. We know say people they be there where they be big advocates. Say we get our total independence. We now ask that will be that people. My way be to say we join Nigeria. It be there. My way be to say we get our independence ourselves like the millers. And Mawe will say, "Mu join La Republique." We are not seeing 3 fractions that they already operate. I want me and Ambazonian people to get some knowledge here. We are not say 3 fraction groups, and not only 3 groups be operate before 1961. I mean, Southern Cameroon Ambazonians, they will operate a 4 groups. But we never ever hear fight. People there will stand for say, men will get total independence. People there will stand for say, men will remain in Nigeria. People there will say, men will go to the Republic. So another people they will get the neutral. We'll get that one. Some people will be neutral. Not be all man will be there for one train. Not be all man will enter that train for say, we will join the Republic. No. Not be all man be accept. Be join that train. But when the majority be accept, say we join La Republique, all man be sikum. All man be sikum. So I want to tell Ambazonian to say, we never ever be like Southern Sudan. We forget this small groups the way they make noise around the corner. We get a big structure. The internet government is that the most biggest structure. All them they will come behind the internet government. See. When independent come, not only they say so another group we deal with the struggle this year. Who will fight? When I tell me say when the council independent will come today, I am talking the nation independent no come. I want to tell you about the things say the South Sudan. C'est ça qu'on vous prie, if it deny something independent, no come. If it deny, I want to ask, for example, who reason very well, so some people say, we go there in Southern Sudan. Why we go there in Southern Sudan? Why? Where in the way goal, we already get this structure. This structure for internet government not stand at where it stand at today. I want to see the internet government not until where it start a consortium or SCAPAC, this. The internet government has structure where before Ambazonian, Southern Cameroon, they want cry for their freedom. They already get a unified structure and they get a leader. Before 1961, Southern Cameroon already get a unified structure where they channel their problems to the leader. The leader, that's how they work. And that's how it be we come to the day of today. We get a unified structure where the internet government, where all man, we get petty group them. We get small group, yeah, small delay. But that one, you know what we stand say, Ambassador recognize a government. All them, Ayabacho, they recognize the internet government. Akwanga, Sokade recognize the internet government. The IG, they recognize the internet government. Una fi say, why did you overpoint finger with the internet government? Why did you overpoint finger with the internet government? Now because they recognize the bigger structure that way will lead people to Boya. So make we cancel that idea. If I hear some money talk say it will be worse like Southern Sudan. And it vex. And it vex very badly. Why? This because one small group that is sponsor criminals for that mean arrest people. When independent that thing go finish. That thing go finish. Who space they get them? Una know where to be by say one be warlord. Warlord must until today. Who they will abandon and look at? They never capture one village. Which group they don't capture over one village? But the internet government control the whole territory. The internet government control the peak. And why do we see not outside the IG because of it? If they see, I tell you something. If the internet government decide to say one captures on LGA now 1 minute. If they decide say they want to leave outside decide for captures of one LGA now 1 minute. 1 minute. For the force the way they get up down. Now 1 minute. But when they fight the fight, like how our papa they be fight the fight. Our papa they be fight that fight. Now society. They be fight that fight. Forefathers, they fight that fight for the whole Southern Cameroon in general. They will fight who did this. So you know be believe for reunification. You stand. You were one who join Nigeria, you stand. You were one who go Musa independent stand. But majority ambassador people will decide. Ambassador will decide. Say better say me join La République with the fair union. And now this same ambassador don't decide say they want that total freedom independence and they dare behind the internet government. What's the need? People cry say warlord did this. What you know there because South Sudan na first son. Na first son. They never cultivate chop. Na hungry. What? Una tell me who? Una look among all the leaders where they did. Una don't look their face. More not even forget. Una look their face. Una look all that leaders their face. Then una look the our boy they fight for them say who stand for warlord for inside Amazonia. Una look and find ADF because only ADF they don't sign. Not small chang that they no fit pass. Not small banning that they no fit do nothing. Who stand there? Don't go hide. Then una who say who bring warlord for Amazonia. So keep the faith. My brother and sisters, we keep the faith. No man, no stop the internet government. No man, the internet government. Now I tell myself, now structure rate don't start all the pop. No nothing for today, no not everything for. No not say on the car from internet government. They don't change a name. Now what tell Amazon people? I say SCAPAC. Is that the internet government we form now? They was SCAPAC. This. Una know say, we know say before our leader, the one command Nigeria come 1959, the body get a unified structure with leader where they lead them. And then they lead them. Now, and then they lead. And then now ask, and then be a leader at what time? When? Who structure? How? And then be now who? Now know. Who's the advocate for Temu Kumo Nigeria? No, and then start the movement. For some why see our people say Nigeria they march we go come out, we go back. Our people they stand behind like who? Like a leader. And they stand behind who like leader, they want to form the government. So move forget that issue. Some people say the government will be necessary. After we now can praise the government now. You don't call the government don't give away to one time. Una say the government will be necessary. Now it be necessary. So I don't beg people the way the things say we feel be the Southern Sudan. Me they even just forget. Me they don't even just think that was ever. Me they even just think. Yeah, we don't see the game for La Republic where they beat La Republic 2-0. One thing wait until it happen. Ambassador, I like Ambassador because they just share, but I don't know why some people used to share now because they don't like the defeat where they defeat La Republic. But when they share, so when the kind of media, we have to take time, reason why it happened this way. Why it not be happen so? Why it not be being a 1-0? Why it not be being a 3-0? Why it not be 3-1? Why it not be 5-1? Why this one happened? 4-0 for Victoria, and then it came with the Republic, it happened 2-0. We, as we don't elaborate, say that 4-0 for Victoria, it be said now the 4 years of genocide in Ambazonian. 4 years of genocide in Ambazonian. Why were these 2-0 when they give the recently? Now we tell they say that country, now 2 countries, Ambazonian and La Republic. They don't make them, they don't say now 2 countries. Then they give them God they use some sign. God they use some sign they show La Republic, me La Republic they know. Why they don't win the 2-1? Why they don't win the 2-1? They win the 2-0. Now tell them they know say that another people give message say this una country Ambazonian get their own side. Una get their own side. Now why that way? Now 2. They don't tell them say they ask them say that a flag. Who's the 2 stars the day before? Why they lost the 2 stars? They ask them. Say why they lost the 2 stars. So brothers and sisters, we therefore the thing, and then we see the signs them. The handwriting, it be written on the wall. The handwriting, it be written on the wall, my brothers and sisters. The handwriting. We don't even see. Now say we don't even see the level where we don't cross the Republic keeper man. Don't forget our difference with the query for social media. I like when I see for Grand Zero. When I see if fight for Grand Zero, no. Our boys no if fight not a game of Grand Zero. We don't cross my brothers and sisters. We just need now so another commitment. We don't cripple La Republic finish. We don't bring La Republic to that knees. No way, no day. No way, no day. When I see government gather to another few people say give them 5 million for the bond where they burn their houses. That means La Republic don't acknowledge the fact say that they burn houses where they give money. La Republic also acknowledge the fact. We don't know where the truth will become small. La Republic acknowledge the fact that they commit genocide. But start giving 5 million for people that property be destroyed. Me say they acknowledge the fact that they don't destroy Ambazonian property. They start give 5 million. Why would they get weak man? Why would they get weak man for this revolution? Why you think say the revolution will fail for this level? We never get distraction for this revolution reach 2019. You know, bet me. We never ever for history get a distraction, a lot of distraction for this revolution reach 2019. Where Magbarata take wrong track, Elita to take wrong track, Capone take wrong track,
Tapa I will take wrong track. That was the worst year, 2019. But as of now, no get problem. That one we don't see. I will not make. I say Abu Karim told the one. We must stop. They must stop. People now human beings. Now human beings we must query before we come to agreement. Then what you want to tell Ambassador people and say? I want to tell reasons or method. Not even reason, method. What we go do for stop this small noise. And it go. When I be watch, so much show them. I be tell we say, if true, you like an Ambazonian citizen, you love this struggle, you want me struggle end quick, you want collaboration. I mean collaboration. Now you go bring that and lead away like him to the platform of collaboration. Nobody that leader will bring you go force your leader away like him come to the platform of collaboration. Now how if you do? When you stop giving money and you respect your LGA, you can't give your money for your LGA. You can't give your money for your county. My brothers and sisters, see, the thing will die, no more death. You go see not them. Go the camp for back. Say, bro, you want to collaborate. More not talk collaboration where you see sponsors and other people in their pocket. Then they still get the voice. Because now we get money. Where if you call 2 fighters, you give a 100,000, they make counteracting video or audio against the internet government decision. You think so you still get voice. You think so you still get voice. Now because of it, now because you and me, we feed the with that information for cut up. Now only me and you will cause her. Apanga Sokadev na how he die. Sokadev na how he die. Now because the money no day, they no fit talk. They die in end. You see now in the camp for live show, can't do it. In the camp very aggressive for live show. In the camp very aggressive because of it. All the contributors, they don't really understand the game. And the mafia. They don't say na LGA the hitting the ground. When I see the whole 2019 ground hot this January, he hot for northern zone, both and southern zone. Now who do hot now? No, but now LGAs no. Now LGAs they hot in all those areas. When I remember some time even free Masha cry. He said outside they were hot. Because military, with the man pressure, they don't say all this are they don't go. The man pressure for Libya them. But when I say outside the hot, it rest. So if we want collaboration, now we ambassador, we can stop that collaboration. Mono we keep cry say Ayabacho, this man. Now me and you, we stop the collaboration because we know say we get the internet government. Yes. After the internet government, we get county by county. Yes. After county by county, you get LGAs. Where you go give your money, you go identify your LGA. You stop. When they were Ayabacho go, you go drive finish. When I go here talk with mob change. The coffers, you know the string. Ayabacho cover the string, but you never dry. You know when I see very aggressive audio now. He send that audio now because when I remember the show where I can talk F and they take money for 5 million for sending the very person. Philanthropist for Ambazonian. F they want to take demanding 5 million. Now why that way he can make that video audio say fight at the day they take money for the belief. You know, any time of distance himself now. Because I mean, he told that audio video that show and I say me in listing, me see what way he fight at the door and the commander I don't get because they don't go contrary to what you don't talk. Essentially, you can tell you say the fighter don't go out of hand. Like I can't talk for other time. Say you know the control the people again. The fact that don't go out of hand. It up. Una listen. Now, out of frustration, because they begin a hidden agenda. ADF, I talk am. ADF begin a hidden agenda for the collect money for people. But now, you know, they say they give me the play, the way they do. Now, kill it. They'll kill it the Ivo. Don't kill it. Now, don't talk so. They'll kill it the Ivo. So, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, we get for pressurized collaboration by doing what? Coming to our LGA. Forgetting about small group. Go to your LGA. You contribute your money. Go to your LGA, contribute your money. When that people, when we call names, when they go, not need them come up with a group. Make me feel they say the group be lively. Make me feel they say the group lively. When I share and contribute. But when more parts, none of them reflect the account. And they easy here, grab the hot. Now when they will say, them say I go meet and go so. Them say my auntie don't answer up or all my auntie around your end. You go here and I go call. You go call say, I guess your intelligence will around you. You say, you know, say here backside talk the land will come. By side talk the one come. You want here now hotel will come. You can probably have a video say for sure say he apologize for ambassador people for the wrong way don't do this. The game will end. So now me and you go for end the game. We go for stop contributing to any groups. Now I don't play this audio for Nambere video. Let's see. I play this video for Nambere. Let's see. So, let's see. Okay.
Oh, de même pas, je suis même Novazé.
Na what?
Adjudant chef major Novazé.
Na that. I get plenty to talk. The video no end. So one day we talk about ADF.
Yeah, it was Central Janande for play Janande for Sekni. Yeah, for Sekni, no, but not the voilà, now the commandant for routine. You can imagine the man told me say, you don't have motor, the motor you work for guys. And they get for come that book. And the motor you work for Wisi, it work for Sawi, if you carry some people, they will make our way peaceful day. Whenever kidnap someone, play the motor wrong good day. Okay, the motor no get book. You don't insist me the motor get book. What if the motor a problem that I will do with and they don't die, won't sabi anglophone. Tell me, say, if they say you hurt me plenty, more go back to bush, go fight. So we talk to one fight, one wow, the wrong commander. It make I regret when I drop my weapon.
You regret.
And because of government, let me discipline the people. Because if they were honoring Shanda people, they made a tell all go back bush. Or they did kill me, a kiwi. If they were honoring uniform people, then when they get respect is reciprocal. Anybody get right to respect a brother. We won't drop our weapon. We like our country. We love our country. We die for the country. We walk back for the country. We peace come. Any gendarme, any uniform policeman, any man, you get right to give with the maximum respect. We deserve them. If we do respect ourselves, if I be there a criminal, I don't know how many years to Cameroon since I come back. 1 year something. All man know how I come back Cameroon. They can't kill Nigeria. I never blow man. I never fight with one man. The man tell you something. The amount of torment why they get our uniform for their hand is plenty. Maybe all, but I like now all I decide to go directly for name. Which wedding man tell me? So the auntie. Now he call a banquet. Call he insisted phenomenal tipla. He wants to name Mr. Duety. And he wants to talk to him we keep for that it one time blow. If she's a panic to comply. But man, then the make a more understand the country na two country. Because tell me what I say, you are Anglophone, say this, that, now not call war. Why not run the war now?
Why not run war?
Okay. Good.
Simple thing. Go out the Nepal. Yes, you live
Okay. I want to stop. When I listen to a video, you been in a media prime on a waiting. You know if I finish here, you can't be follow him.
Marvel always say to ADF. Number one, ADF. Now, anybody want the link, I will share the link. For this very show, he said he won Ayabacho. Say, he no be work Ayabacho catch up. No be na to we talk amo. Na to we number talk. He said he won Ayabacho. He no be work Ayabacho catch up. I say why? He said, Efang, the Komogo kill 29 civilians. Efang Komogo kill this. He said that when every year say military do Efang something. That boy say no. He said Ayabacho he work with military. Nothing na be talk. He say Ayabacho he work with military. People don't talk. People talk. Una no say Nambere don't follow military. Go back to go show location. Nambere don't follow military. They go stage work them. Because he thinks the camp where he believe at that time, the boy is sleep with that camp. The way our boy don't watch. So he see the fee. I watch it. When some people talk say, will the make number be relevant? No, we need to make number be relevant. I bet. But something that they will get our Christmas. Where Christmas talk, not to say the man Chris. Listen away to it talk. Listen away to it talk. He said, I talk say he don't work Ayabacho catch up because he said Ayabacho get to cast sign. He said a government he work with ye. But when we talk, we say ADF. Now a sponsor organization. People they see deny. But now fight at this where you don't live. And we get for friend no first. Say so I want to say number you want go propagate. Number no propagate Ayabacho. Now no say na Tapak Ivo call number before number surrender. Na Tapak Ivo call number before number we follow others audios before he surrender. And when number be surrender, when I know say number be stacking against now the internet government, the internet government don't do this, the internet government don't do this. When I hear the truth now, see, he not talk say, Ayabacho do this. Now be talking now because he don't go for the field. He don't go for the field. Go see him. He don't go for the field. See what ADF do our military. Now he review them. He review enough for ambassador people, but he talk him. He don't know say he give information for ambassador people. So anyway, he think say what with ADF. That one I know. Okay, now we come with a normal threat. The normal threat. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, we don't watch the small script where Nambere presenter, where Nambere, where they threaten in life. Now, if you remember, I don't talk conservative shows them. Say La République hate all ambassadors. Alright, be federalist, if you want Cameroon, provided you be born and bred in Southern Cameroon, ambassador. You are a threat to that government. When I like it, take it or leave it. If you dare, you La République, you can't click negative comment for my show, you blast me. But I want to tell you, say, La République look you the same way you look me. Me when I talk for your show. La République look you the same way. All ambassadors are traitors to La République. All ambassadors are traitors. Now, quand le militaire n'a pas laissé, mais il go back to fight. Quand le militaire n'a pas laissé, vous n'avez pas besoin de fight, non? Go back to fight. Because il knows what he knows say number refugee camps so cause harbor because he knows say all Southern Cameroons are the same. And at two, all will be the same. No mind, all Southern Cameroon will get one mentality. We get all Southern Cameroon get the mentality of freedom. We get the mentality of our independence. Now the mentality that all will get that mentality. Like it, you take it or leave it. USA, if you want Cameroon this, you get that mentality. We will only talk because of small pocket money they give you, or some position for buy for government. But all, we not get the same mentality. Ambassador, we get ambassador blood and the flow for una. That's why we don't want to portray the blood of, we don't want to portray the character. Now already tell una say if you drop down your weapon. Now listen, fighters. 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 Now na big fish. The way we drop weapon. Now na big fish. The way we drop weapon. Any one una. Now already won. Una fighter say if you drop your weapon, your name na die because if they show be living corpse. He show Nigeria passport, why not show Cameroon passport? Without show him move Nigeria passport, he show him. Say he get Schengen visa. If you get Schengen visa, say you see there inside. You see there with the Republic. He go move fake passport, he show him. Now they send a tongue message. So I want to tell all the fighters for this revolution. See, we never give an oath. We never say an oath. So we never fight. We never fight the fight end. No. If you fight, you are incorrect. My brothers and sisters, take your road. No go for DDR. Take your road. No go for DDR, my brother and sister. When you go for DDR, you are not die. When I watch the number, he said the worst threat. Not be the first time you were number talk this thing. Not be the first time this. Where he told you, he said the worst threat where he don't get her, where he get her. Now for the Republic. And they will kill you. When I just wait, they will kill you. Small, they will kill you. When it also called they against you, do what they against you, when I go hear news. So but he don't talk say he will die, but he don't tell the truth. Say that when it say when he died, me don't say the Republic don't kill you. Me they don't say the Republic don't kill you. They ask you question about Kumba, you don't even talk anything. Say you know talk. Nambere say me they give you that audacity for end the war. Una know say get the immunity for travel. Nambere no fit go anywhere on his own. And why that it be big garden for outside? Because you don't say me a leave me do the bet. When no dey. Nambere dey find way for escape. Yes. And why that he talk here like say he want die, he die. He say me they got kill him, they kill him. So fellow ambassadors, fellow fighters, una don't listen. Una say La République. It don't mean good for we. La République don't mean good. No, only number face very torment. I mean, the citizens when they inside La République, where they claim they get the torment. I mean, who be number? No be that this minister how they call you, where every gun go blast you. How they call that minister where he boss in tears, he boss in cry for office. He call it the back his me liver. He say, go tell say, oh we Anglophones, oh we Southern Cameroons, we be the same. Na some go tell him. Say, oh we Southern Cameroon, say they will be number. Number to say na probably send presidential dismissal for one give immunity for himself. No be na president say number for them. Na Tapan Ivo say number and Congo success. They tell money chop say number. So number they talk as na Pobia. Who's Pobia? Who tell you say go see Pobia? Who tell you say go see Prime Minister? They don't fool the team. How many years he surrender? He say Prime Minister no see. He see the who. Number who? We even John Weapon go to Nigeria for 2 years. He know which intelligence for ground zero. He know which number know which intelligence for ground zero now. As if you want to talk, number know which intelligence for ground zero. So, fellow citizens, fellow ambassadors, we just no say supporting ambassadors or you no support ambassadors. La République take you like one. La République all now. While I go show media prime, when I make noise, La République don't look when they laugh. Say see that one and Anglophone that. When I take that for Facebook here, when I go for back the sponsor. La République no say. La République no say Now we have a grand sponsor the fight. They know military. Ma tell now citizens for people one Cameroon. La République no say now they give military give the report. They give the report every day. They give the report. Say ambassadors. Now they high secret. Now they high player fight a day. Now they do this. And they make a kill the civilian. Now they do this. So they don't tag. La République don't tag all Southern Cameroonians as one people. They not separatists or this. They not all will be one. Now why they tell them they say go back go fight. Go back go fight. They not to say no one fight. So, fellow ambassadors, we'll go to this one, the video so you'll see I'm from Bali. Yes, if we talk, we'll not touch ground zero. It means we'll never talk army. If we talk, we'll not give the way forward. Wait, the war, you get will take the face. It means we'll not talk and talk because we get will talk, give a strategy, propose strategy because we activists, mere activists just propose. If the government listen, if you not take and then we move forward. Activists, you need impose on the government. You propose, the government take it, you not take them, then you don't talk them. After all, you don't help. But ambassador people, you have to take them, go pressurize, on county pressurize the internal government. We don't see the video where it come out from Bali. In that same light, we see videos from Balangi. In that same light, we see them from Manu. In that same light, we see them from Ngokituja. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, I want to clap for our boys for Ground Zero. A job well done. I want to clap again for Una. Say bravo. Una cafe day up. 21 gun salute for Una and happy Sunday. Play Una day, Una stand fine. Una day at Una day. Let me say, play Una day. The God for heaven will protect Una for we. Because for this short period, La Republic don't record the highest casualties. Casualties for this short period. We don't need to tell Una again. La Republic, it don't record casualties. We see now the one for Bali. The restoration force of Bali. When I know what happened that he lost the Tombora. Who forgets? Who forgets what happened with that he lost the Tombora? Well, our brothers either don't Tombora, they want come out. They shoot all them. They kill all them. And the message act. We have been on today. After all investigation, all man who believe that he lost, he died. They kill all. Our boys they move all for game. They go for Ngokituja. Wonderful strike. Our boys strike powerfully for them. Very powerfully. I mean say powerfully, very powerfully. Then you go for Balangi. When I see the video where it circulate for media where they burn houses of Balangi. So man, I say, why they burn houses? Why they burn houses? Because we don't say La Republic, their tendency for boss are when they kill. When La Republic don't go for battlefront, they be challenge. Our boy they challenge for battlefront. They don't get two options. If they move up, civilian they shoot. They don't move up, they burn houses. I say, if they move up, civilians they shoot. They don't move up, they burn houses. So we don't see the demonstration for Balangi. They confront the restoration force of Balangi. They no fit withstand. When I see the block road, when I see the road block, that boy they keep that road hostage. La Republic military, he said go back. He run. Motor the one come Kumba. La Republic, he run. He go back, go tell the driver. So now go back. When I go back, that boy is there. That means that La Republic had inform military. I mean, that inform people. Say that boy is there. When I see how defeat La Republic, we don't defeat these people. Now they not inform the population. Say that boy is there. That boy is there. That boy is there. Now military give that information. Driver they turn steering. Say me they turn steering. That boy is them. That bad boy is them. That boy is strong. Therefore, Manfe own. I want beg Manu people. Any man will never draft. Will not complete a draft for Manu. And you want who? Any man will never complete draft for Manu. And you want that boy they do tremendous job. For the way we are supposed to be so proud. We are be so proud for Manu County. We are going to be so proud. That boy they do work where it's not easy. We are not saying Manu na area where it's not easy. So we are go finish una draft because I don't say subsequently this year another draft will come. means another draft, no come to another draft. We never finish a draft. And that light go for all man, we never finish draft. You na complete a draft. You na the year action they for grant. See, action the thing they will come. We see they will bring a good news. I say as of now, henceforth. Except say, so our restoration forces the whole misfire. So when they line them, light chap, so chap shit 30. Or they go joker for bar. But as of now, we na go hear na good news. Till reach Boya. I say as of now, we na go hear na good news we reach Boya. Kumba LGA to strike. Now hear the explosive. I mean for right. Kumba LGA the explosive way. Hala for Kumba. The new Kumba LGA beat to attacks. So he call all man on board. Una join up with the Kumba LGA. The new Kumba LGA, because Kumba LGA, the new Kumba LGA, leading by Comrade Fix Misodi. I be the chairman of Kumba LGA. So we beg all the Kumba citizens, so una join the forum of Kumba LGA. If you want contact, you contact me. I say they put you for a group. So at the same time, I put say, as of now, go forward. We not going to hear na good. Even a year, after an answer say, our one restoration fighters, you don't sleep. We not going know. We don't know say, you don't misfire. You not going to be for battlefront again. You not going to be for battlefront, and you want to be for battlefront. Let me say, the battlefront, the fight, it be real worry. The fight be real worry. Because we didn't know, so we don't really know that Republic their level. We don't survey their level. We know the level they operate. So me, any man play with it day. All Ambazonians play with it day. You know, so you stand fine. You stand fine, so the independent be sure. Then we take me go now to this our project where it currently go on. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, the game changer. The game changer, we call it the game changer. It did along the way. Mobilization, you go on. I mean the game changer. If you be the real patriots, the real citizens, where you like the game changer, go, I beg, just tap me for back. Move I do for the forum because very soon the kick the start. And the game changer now is RPG. We change the game. Now it will be the game changer for this revolution, my brothers and sisters. Una wait and see. Una don't wait and see. So, no stay for back. When you see them, then you click only like, or you click share, or you click love, or you call me. You say thank una for that job una don't do our RPG. Just be to a participant. Don't be my way to participate. So that means they call you too. They tell you, brother, down an RPG. Down an RPG on a duam. You worry. At the bed, fellow Ambazonians, be a participant, not be a follower. I know say plenty people don't be fed up when it comes to individual contributions, but this one is an action group. We don't get tea. Nothing. Not there for talk about that group. Only ideas on RPG. No sharing audio, nothing. Intelligence only on RPG. I mean, say intelligence. If you come with a group, they share things, they just kick. If they can, they share audios or all these shit, you just kick. Now only intelligence on RPG. Who say you don't get someone for this side? Now how much you did this? Now how much? That's the war. The war. That's the war. The game changer is around the corner. The game changer is around the corner. So, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, this one will the top. Our boys there for them, they need a very badly. When at the top, our boys when they listen. You not talk anything where you go motivate them. They look at you, but this man go talk, he finish, talk, he finish. What do you get? Our boys they need. Well, you know how many of them when they text? I mean, only fight and they text me will be bro. Thank you, we need that, thank you, we need that. When we see the level of commitment, where these our boys and they go as far, explosive and all the like. We don't need. Now I repeat it for Enam. My brother, my see, fellow comrade, fellow citizens, see, we get more than, we get things the way, we will bring that report, we get that, but we need to end the game fast. We will end the game fast, very fast. Meaning before the year one go to some level, we don't end the business. Meaning that the public don't clip for your knees. Then we there for the Swiss dialogue. The internal government, you want to go to the Swiss. Why would you say the internal government will carry and pay people will go? We will empower the government. The government get power. All banks will follow. After the internal government they will front the go, people will there for back the follow. So I beg fellow citizens, move go for the initiative of the game changer. Thank you very much for watching and stay blessed. Happy Sunday once more.